Good afternoon, YouTubers. Manny here with another video from Manny's How-To Workshop. Although this video is not exactly going to be a how-to video, it's going to show you what I'm doing so far on this job here, which is to replace the wooden soffit and fascia on this house with aluminum soffit and fascia. So basically this is what it looks like. You can see that there's a lot of damage. Let me zoom in closer. Right there, see the mildew, rotted wood, right there on the fascia. And the customer's complaint was that their electric bill is really high. And the reason for that is, you see that vent right there on the soffit? There's only only two in this whole section right here. And that's about a 10-foot section overhang right there. And I'm going to be replacing, like I said, all the fascia and soffit on this house. Well, except the other side. And that's a long stretch right there to let's see. So basically that's the before, and like I said, I'm going to be replacing this whole gable end here with the new stuff. And this is what it looks like when you start tearing apart the old stuff that was horrible, and you start reframing everything. So this is one end of this section here. You got a close up there. As you can see, I'm replacing it with a 1x6 fascia board, and I'm having to frame up with some 2x3s common wood there, or to make sure that the edge of this fascia board, the front one, and the back part right there is pretty level when I stop putting the soffit on there. Alright, so let me move over to the other side and I'll show you that in a second also. So basically I went ahead and, like I said, and demoed the whole soffit and fascia that was all rotted and everything. And I actually had to add some extension pieces right there from the bad ones. You can see right there. And then on the corner also I added that piece there, the support end, and the little 2x3 cross to help support that. Alright, I'm going to take it to the other side and show you what. Alright, here's the front part of the end of this gable, but you can see there is my steps right there. So that's the framing part right here, to redo the whole frame and everything. Replacing some end pieces there, like you see there, like that one there, that 1x6, that was all rotted. And then here's part of the process. As you can see, you need to get some J channel, which is that part right there, and then the soffit, aluminum soffit is this one, and the fascia, aluminum fascia is that one. That's a 6-inch. Alright, the soffit comes in 12-foot lengths and it's 12 inches wide. The fascia comes in 12-foot lengths and it's 6 inches wide. The J channel in the back, that comes in it's 1/2 inch wide, and it's like 1.5 inches for the back part to where you can screw it down. And like I said, I've had to put 2x3s to make up some space there so that it comes out looking flush. Okay, so here's what the finished product looks like. Here's the gable point right there, looking pretty damn good if I say so myself. And here's the finished wraparound corner right there. As you can see, like I said, I did this whole section and did that one too right there, all the way up to that gable, and then back down to that one right there, all the way around the house. Sorry, try not to make you dizzy. And also in front of the garage. I also went ahead and did that right there all the way. So once again, this is not exactly a how-to, but it's how I did it. And here's my little workstation here also. My tent for inclement weather, plus some shade in the sun, and my little workstation, which is that is my Harbor Freight miter saw stand. Alright, you guys, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and like I said, I'll be coming up with more videos on some other projects I've been doing, but so far this is turning out pretty good. Leave me a comment if you want to know more information on how I did it. Oh, also, I did it in a way that I'm still going to reuse the old drip edge, because in order to rip that out, it's a lot of work to rip it out, but if you do it carefully, you can lift it off the edge and then re-nail everything after, and then come back with some roofing cement and put it all over the naval heads. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Everyone have a good afternoon, and I'll catch you on the next one. Alright, take care. Bye.